A while ago, I thought it'd be a fun idea to design and 3D print a simple and most likely one-time use model rocket. The engine is designed just to slip in the bottom of the rocket, and there's a little ridge inside to prevent it from going in too far. And I made it in 2 sections to allow for a taller rocket in my limited print volume. Oh gosh, okay, so that's there's no more room. There we go. Ooh, that doesn't weigh very much. Then I just glued the 2 parts together with some super glue.
Oh, look at the slug.
Oh, hey look, there's a hole in the ground.
Whoa.
Another idea I've had is to use the cardboard tube that comes in the middle of a paper towel roll as a rocket fuselage. I just needed to make an adapter to hold the engine and a cone to go on top. So yesterday I sat down and measured the motor and the tube, and I tried to figure out how to use this program again. First, I made a cylinder that can hold the engine and fit into the cardboard tube. Then I drew a curve and I revolved it into a surface, and I used that surface to cut a nice taper into the cylinder. Then I sort of drew a fin-shaped thing, and I used the surface from planar curves function to turn the area inside the lines into a surface, and then I extruded that surface by about 4 mm into a solid. Then I did a polar array to copy that fin around the center axis symmetrically, and I did a Boolean union function to join all the pieces into one solid. Then to make the cone, I started with a circle and approximated how tall I wanted it to be. Then I drew a curve from that point down to the circle, and I revolved that curve into a surface. And I used the offset surface function to make that into a solid. Then I just drew a little cylinder to slide down into the cardboard tube, and I joined those together. With both these parts made, I can put them into my slicer program to generate the instructions for the printer on how to print the parts. I stuck that file on my SD card and I put it in the printer. This print took like a whole 5 hours to print. I'm using an awesome filament I found called Cheetah by Ninjatech. It's a semi-flexible and practically unbreakable filament that manages to print super fast, even on my crappy extruder. Please, if you try this, use a proper launch controller and exercise proper model rocketry safety procedures, and don't just connect the igniter to a LiPo battery like I do. I love that smell. Normal model rockets of course work way better. Playing with rockets always reminds me of when I was a little kid and my dad would do rocketry with me. Okay, that was kind of fun. On a side note, I've moved to the West Portland area, mostly doing flight instructing and occasionally flying organ transplants in jets.